Imagine a place so vast, so dark, and so completely alien, that it barely feels like part of our world. A place where sunlight dies. A place where pressure can crush steel. A place so unexplored that humanity has mapped more of distant planets than the depths of its own ocean. And yet, life thrives here. Not ordinary life. Creatures with transparent heads. Fish armed with needle-like teeth. Predators carrying living lanterns through the darkness. At first glance, they look like monsters. But the deeper we descend, the stranger the truth becomes. The deep ocean didn't create monsters. It created survivors. Our journey begins several hundred meters beneath the surface. Above us, sunlight still dances across the waves. Below us, darkness waits. As we descend, colors begin to disappear. Red vanishes first. Then orange. Then yellow. The ocean slowly drains the world of color until only shades of blue remain. And then, even the blue fades away. Welcome to the Twilight Zone. A place where every creature lives between two worlds. Too deep for sunlight. Too shallow for complete darkness. Food is scarce. Predators are everywhere. Hiding is nearly impossible. So nature developed an astonishing solution. Many animals here create their own light. Tiny flashes of blue. Green sparks in the darkness. Living stars drifting through black water. This phenomenon is called bioluminescence. But its purpose varies. Some creatures use it to disappear. Others use it to communicate. And some use it to kill. Scientists have entered a golden age of species discovery and formally cataloged and described approximately 2.17 to 2.3 million living species on Earth. Scientists with collaboration of researchers identifying over 16,000 previously unknown species every year across the globe. Scientists estimate that most deep-sea animals can produce light. A landmark global project resulted in the mapping of 1,121 previously unknown marine species in a single year, highlighting the massive gaps in our knowledge of the deep sea. Among key discoveries, the ghost shark, a mysterious, ancient relative of the shark and ray, chimera, featuring a skeleton made of cartilage instead of bone, found 2,700 feet deep in Australia's Coral Sea Marine Park. Another attentive discovery is deep-sea octopus, a tiny, golf ball-sized, blue octopus discovered at depths of nearly 6,000 feet beneath the Galapagos Islands. But yet scientists still don't know exactly how many species possess this ability. Every expedition reveals something new. A new flash pattern. A new biological trick. A new mystery. What happens when we descend beyond the last traces of light altogether? 1,000 meters below the surface. Night becomes permanent. There are no sunrises here. No sunsets. No seasons. Only darkness and endless darkness. In this world, food can be so rare that a single meal may determine whether an animal survives the next month. As a result, predators become extreme. Very extreme. As the anglerfish. Perhaps the most infamous creature of the deep. Floating silently through black water, it carries a glowing lure above its head. A tiny beacon in an ocean of darkness. To smaller animals, the light looks harmless. Then they get closer. Much closer. And suddenly, the darkness bites. Its jaws snap shut. And its prey disappears. Its stomach expands. In another environment, such a creature would seem impossible. Down here, it is perfectly designed. Because in the deep ocean, opportunities are rare. And evolution rewards anything that wastes nothing. Gigantic mouths. Expandable stomachs. Teeth too large to fit inside closed jaws. Again and again, unrelated species evolve the same terrifying features. Scientists understand how these adaptations work. But they still don't fully understand why evolution repeatedly arrives at such similar designs. As though the darkness itself is shaping life according to its own rules. As we descend deeper still, another force begins to dominate. The pressure. Imagine placing an elephant on your chest. Now imagine thousands of them. That is the weight pressing against every creature living in the deep ocean. For humans, survival here would be impossible. For deep-sea animals, it is home. The blobfish is often called the world's ugliest animal. But that's only because we see it in the wrong environment. In its natural habitat, it doesn't look like a blob at all. Its soft body is a masterpiece of survival. Rather than resisting pressure, it embraces it. Many deep-sea creatures follow the same strategy. Flexible bodies. Reduced skeletons. Specialized cells. Everything stripped down to what is absolutely necessary. What appears fragile is actually remarkably efficient. Scientists still don't fully understand how some deep-sea proteins continue functioning under such crushing conditions. Every answer seems to reveal new questions. What we've discovered only deepens the mystery. Several kilometers below the surface lies the abyss. One of the largest habitats on Earth. And one of the least explored. The seafloor stretches endlessly into darkness. Vast plains. Underwater mountains. Hidden trenches. Entire landscapes that no human eyes have ever seen. Yet even here, life survives. Tiny particles drift downward from above. Dead plankton. Fragments of animals. Organic dust. Scientists call it marine snow. For countless creatures, this slow rain is the only source of food. But some ecosystems rely on something even stranger. Deep beneath the ocean floor, cracks release superheated water rich in chemicals. Hydrothermal vents. No sunlight reaches these places. And yet life flourishes around them. Giant tube worms. Red crabs. Alien-looking colonies of organisms clustered around volcanic heat. An entire ecosystem powered without sunlight. One of the most astonishing discoveries in modern science. And it raises an extraordinary possibility. If life can thrive here, could similar life exist beneath the frozen oceans of distant worlds? Scientists don't know. But the deep ocean may be the closest thing we have to another planet. Even now, vast regions of the deep ocean remain unexplored. New species are discovered every year. Creatures stranger than anything scientists predicted. Animals that challenge what we think life should be. The truth is, The deep ocean doesn't turn creatures into monsters. It reveals what life becomes when pushed to its absolute limits. When darkness never ends. When food is scarce. When survival demands impossible solutions. To us, these animals appear terrifying. But perhaps that says more about us than it does about them. Because far below the waves, nature is not trying to be beautiful, or familiar, or comforting. It is simply trying to survive. And somewhere in the darkness, beyond the reach of sunlight, beyond the reach of maps, something is still waiting. Waiting to be discovered.